the Crimson Trace. This is the LG496 laser grip. This goes on the Springfield, the XD models. It'll fit the XD9, the 40, the 45, and the 357. Now, what I've got here is the XD. This is the Mod 2 version of it. Super gun. I really like it. Let's try to install it on the XD Mod 2 with the grip zone on it and see how it does. So what you get in the box, the grip, of course, you get a pin and the plate, the little secure plate. It goes on the back here. Whoops, I got it upside down. Snaps in to hold it in. You drop your pin in right here, hold it in place, and you get your Q-tips. You get a little Allen wrench to adjust windage and elevation with on it. A couple of batteries. This thing does run off 2 batteries. And these are the, let me look inside here, CR2032. CR2032 is the batteries. There's 2, one here and one right over here. So of course we make sure the firearm's clear, remove the magazine, chamber's clear, no ammunition in the area. And we would insert our batteries with the writing and the plus facing up on each side. And we'll just slide it right on the firearm. Snaps right in place. Take your small piece for the rear that snaps it in. Slide it right into position. The pin that comes with it. Drop your pin in. Nylon mallet. There we go. See how we just set our pin just a little bit inside there? Has a really large rubber activation button on the bottom. So when you grip it and tighten up your grip, you turn the laser on. Just by applying pressure, you can turn it on and off. This one finger turns it on and off right here just by putting pressure on it. Really easy to use. There's an on and off switch right here. So you press this in and hold it down. It'll turn the laser off. If you wanted to save battery life on the laser, if you knew you weren't going to use it for a long period of time, you probably want to turn it off. You should get 4 hours worth of battery life out of the 2 batteries that are in it. So you'll notice the laser will begin to go dim, fade a little bit. When it does do that, just go ahead, pop the pin back out, pop your piece off, slide it right off the firearm, and change the batteries in it. That's all it is to it. And this one doesn't change your holsters, okay? So the same holsters it will fit in, doesn't affect your holsters because it's mounted on the grip of the firearm. Looks good on the gun, feels good on the gun. Comes right out of the holster, turns on immediately so that you can see the laser and use the laser on the firearm. If you guys are looking for one of these, we've got them on our website at optics86.com. Be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms. Till next time, folks, take care.